Good morning, year two. How's everything? I hope you're all doing great. Today is Tuesday, and as usual, what do we do on Tuesdays? Excellent, we have listening. So today is Tuesday, 20th October 2020. Perfect. Today we have listening. Okay, before we start anything, do we have rules for listening? What are we supposed to do in order to be good listeners, in order to improve our listening skills? Do we have rules for this? Excellent! We have 5 rules. Amazing. Let's remember them together. What are the 5 rules of listening? Eyes are watching. Excellent. Watching the video and looking in your books. Excellent. Lips are closed. Amazing. Ears are listening, of course. Hands are still and feet are quiet. We're not supposed to move a lot. We're not supposed to fidget and so on. We're supposed to stay quiet and still and listen and concentrate very carefully. Perfect. Okay, I need you please to open your classwork resource pack on pages 97 and 98. Now let's have a before listening task or a pre-listening activity. Pre-listening means before listening. Okay, so let's read the head of the question very carefully. Write a number from 1 to 5 to put these activities in the normal order in the day. So, Miss, I don't understand. Okay, here we have 5 scattered normal daily activities. They're not in order, okay? 5 daily activities. They're not in order. Okay, you are supposed to arrange them from 1 to 5. Which activities do you do first? Okay, let's read them together. Get dressed and have breakfast. Have classes and lunch. Have dinner and watch TV. Wake up and have a shower, go to bed. Can you arrange them from 1 to 5? Take a minute to do this, please. Okay, so where is number 1? What's the first thing you do in the morning? Great, you wake up. Excellent, you wake up and have a shower. So this is number 1. Okay, what's number 2? Get dressed and have breakfast. Amazing. So you wake up and have a shower. Number 2, get dressed and have breakfast. Number 3 is excellent, have classes and lunch. Number 3, have classes and lunch. After you have lunch, what do you have? You have dinner. Excellent, so have dinner and watch TV. And the last thing you do is go to bed. Amazing. Now we have a while listening activity or a while listening task. Okay, before this task, we had a pre-listening task or a before listening task, which means that it's a task that we can do or we can answer before listening to the track. But here in the while listening activity, can we answer these questions without listening to the track? No, we can't. Okay, so we have to listen to the track and then answer these questions. Okay, let's read the questions together first before we listen to the track. Okay, the head of the question. Let's read the head of the question very carefully. Circle true or false for these sentences. So here we have 6 sentences and we're going to circle true or false. Okay? Number 1. Dan gets up early. True or false? We still don't know, right? We don't know anything. We still didn't listen to the track, so we don't know if it's true or false, right? Okay, great. Number 2, he has a small breakfast. Is it true or false? We still don't know. Number 3, he is a student. Number 4, Dan has lunch at home. Number 5, he goes swimming after classes. Number 6, Dan watches TV and goes on the internet before bed. So here we can understand from these questions or from these sentences that the track is going to be about a boy called Dan, and we can understand it's about what he does every day, right? Does he get up early? Is it true or false? Is it true or false? Does he have a small breakfast? Is he a student? He has lunch at home. He goes swimming after classes. Okay, and so on. So this is about Dan and about his daily activities. Okay, so I need you please to pause this video to listen to the track, and then after listening for one time, you will listen once, you will get back to this video and continue listening to the video to check your answers and to check if your answers are correct or not. Okay? Now, let's answer the questions together. Number 1, after listening to the track, number 1, Dan gets up early. Is it true or false? Excellent, it's true. He wakes up very early at 5 o'clock, right? Excellent. Number 2, he has a small breakfast. Is it true or false? Great, it's false. He has a big breakfast. He has eggs, bacon, toast, orange juice, and so on. And cereals. Okay. Number 3, he is a student. True or false? He is a student? Yes, he is a student. He goes to university, right? So it's true. Number 4, Dan has lunch at home. False. Excellent. He has lunch at university at 2 o'clock. Perfect. Number 5, he goes swimming after classes. False. Amazing. He goes, sometimes he goes to the gym, and sometimes he meets his friends at a cafe or something, and so on. Excellent. Number 6, Dan watches TV and goes on the internet before bed. Yes, it's true. Excellent. Now, this is the last question, and let's read what is the head of the question. Write 3 things Dan does every day. So you listened once in the previous question, true or false question, and for this question you will listen for one more time. So now you will listen twice to the track. So I need you please to pause this video again to listen to the track and get back to the video to check your answers. So after listening to the track, can we write 3 things Dan does every day? Yes, of course, it's very easy. He has a very busy day, right? He does lots of things and lots of activity. Can we pick 3 things to write? Yes, very easy. Number 1. What can we write here in number 1? For example, we can write, he gets up every day at 5 o'clock. Perfect. Number 2, what can we write? What else can we write? For example, he goes to the pool every morning. Excellent. And the third thing he does every day is that he goes to university. Miss, can I write he swims every morning from 6 to 8 o'clock? Yes, excellent. Can I write at 8 he has a shower and then he gets dressed? Perfect. Miss, can I write that Dan has classes from 11 to 4? Excellent. All of these are correct. Okay, you pick three things and three things that he does every day and write them here. I hope that was easy for you, year two. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.